It's raining. That's fun. That is a swamp. Nice swamp. I am Shrek. There we go. Ah, oh my god. Getting rained on and it's cold. Alright, slanted camera, that's fine. Hey guys. So, it's been a while since I've had that one time when I got over first time. Yeah. Hey guys, it's been a few months, a couple months I think, since I hit 100 subscribers, and I tried to do the push-ups just because, you know, I wanted to show you guys that I was in it, and you know, it was a while ago, and so you know, I've been working out more, training, doing some stuff, so I was just gonna kind of revisit that. I did 120 push-ups that day, and I want to see if I can do them better, you know, do a little bit more intense things. So I'm just gonna kind of do some push-ups. I'm not running out of ideas, you're running out of ideas. It's wet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ooh. Ooh, that's getting you. Hello. Don't mind me, I'm just a little. Whoa. A little yoga. A little sleepy time yoga. Ouch. It still hurts. There still is pain. Pain in the push-ups. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Oh. 61, 62, 63. Oh my god. 65, 66. Come on, just give me 70. Noodle alarm, noodle alarm, noodle alarm, everybody noodle alarm. 94, 95, 96, 67, 68, 80. Got a rock in my eye. Yeah. 5, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 90. That's just 30 more. All I gotta do is 30 more push-ups. And then I can go do other things. Not die. I can do it. Come on, arms. Let's push up. Yeah. 100. I only have 20 more to do. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. Only 10 more. Only 10 more. Come on. Get the booty in it. Come on. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. I did it. 120. Okay. So I need to work on push-ups. But other things, they're good. I'm exhausted, by the way. Training's been kicking my butt lately. But I just want to know I'm still in it for you guys. I'm still in it making videos. I'm still in it to see this year through. I have no idea what's gonna come. I know that I feel like some viewers have dipped. I don't care. Like, as far as I'm not looking for a view count, I'm not looking for to make this a career. I'm sorry if what I've been doing recently is not to your liking or anything. I'm just working with what I got. I was really running out of little tiny videos to be funny. You know, I didn't have the stuff to do, like video game stuff anymore. I would like to do more video game stuff. I just haven't had the equipment. So I'm trying to do more workout stuff because I have my body and I have my stuff. But yeah, so hope you guys are enjoying. I really hope you guys are doing well. I love you guys. And I just really hope that life's treating you well. And if it's not, I wish that I could help. If there's any way I can, just let me know. All right, guys, I love you. Have a good day. End of the week tomorrow, so let's find something fun to celebrate with. All right, guys. Whew. Have a good day. Peace out. You know what? I can already see it now. People are gonna say that those weren't real push-ups because I wasn't going all the way down. You know what? I believe you might be correct. Scott also believes you might be correct. So, I've done 470 push-ups today. I gotta do 30 more anyway to round that out to an even 500 because, well, I'll just lose my brain if I don't. So I'm gonna do 30 more push-ups. I'm gonna go deep. Okay, stop with that. Man, there's something out there that you don't like. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. He likes to mess with me whenever I do push-ups, so this should be fun. 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. 10 more. 10 more. Excuse me. Okay. Thought I was the only crazy person making a lot of noise in the rain. 23, 24, 25, 26. Ooh, ooh. 27. Ooh, ooh. 28. Oh boy. 29. 30. Oh, there we go. Ah, that's the depth we want. Oh boy. Oh. Look at you guys walking around on all fours. Guys, can you do push-ups? Can you do push-ups? Can you do push-ups? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, Liam? Who's a good boy? Ah, Nova, hello. Bye, Scout. And then we have Wendy. Who's a good Wendy? Who's a good Wendy? Who's a good Wendy? Who's a good Wendy? Who's a good Wendy?